Hey guys, it's me Khesyinii here after so long of not posting any videos.
Ryan Little.
Today I am gonna bring you guys along to go and attend a beauty event, a skincare event, which is called Khesyuuu. They sent me their comfort stretchy wash. So now let's go and ice my face. I like to do my curls or style my hair in the end because I like my makeup to sit because I kinda have oily skin. So I'm gonna do my makeup first. So I'm gonna go with a very mild makeup because it's a skincare event and I don't wanna be dressing up like a makeup event. So I'm gonna go with just Rare Beauty concealer because the coverage is splendid. I'm gonna show you guys my makeup in the end. You guys are gonna see the difference because I have kind of little black spots over here. That is kind of irritating, but I'm definitely getting cured with the dark spot or the spot remover from Dermalogica, and it's been working wonders, but I need some time for it to be cured. So yeah, so let's get into the makeup. Can see that I don't have eyelashes on. Yeah, my lashes all fell off. So I need to do something that could make me look like I'm eyelashesless. So yeah, this is the only technique. So I will just blend out the liner, this pencil liner. It's from Sephora. It's waterproof, so it wouldn't smudge very easily because I have oily eyelids. So yeah, so I smudge it, and once I apply mascara, it's gonna look like I have thick eyelashes when I don't. Yeah. Okay, I've done my makeup except for my lips. I'm gonna get my hair done and decide on the outfit with you guys. I actually got dressed because I was kind of late. It's already 1 and I have to leave in another half an hour. This is my outfit. I went with this simple long satin dress, and I really love the back of it also. The color palette of the skincare brand is black, so I thought why not just go black. And my plus one will be my mom. And I haven't used up my curls, so let me get accessorized. I'll show you guys what is my main accessories that I always go for. This one will be this Khesyuuu bracelet because so I like to use this Khesyuuu bracelet. Next is this Bonia watch from my mom. It was like 25 years if I'm not mistaken. I hope I'm not wrong, mommy. So yeah, I really love how it gives me this soft subtle look with a very gold effect. And this ring from Syndrome. My favorite gift from my best friend, it's a Guess bracelet. Last but not least, I got the Swarovski. I got it as a present, this double ring set. I've been obsessed and I really love this so much. So thanks to the person who gave that to me. Okay, I had to change my contact lens because I look dull without the lashes. I came out, then only I get to see my face in a bright light. So yeah. So now let's do the lollipop test for the COVID. Okay, it's negative, so I'm safe to go. Okay, so mommy has done her COVID test, but she's still getting ready. So I'm not gonna disturb her because we girls need our own sweet time to get ready, so I'm not gonna disturb her. Even though we are late, we have to leave now so I'll get ready and wait in the car for her. So I decided to go with the Steve Madden heels because it kind of make me look so much more better. And mommy is here after so long. So I got a goodie bag from them, which is super cute. So the skincare presentation is in Chinese and many of them are able to understand Chinese there. So I wouldn't want them to feel awkward by talking all in Chinese, and I'll be the only one who do not understand. So I'm here just taking some food. So I noticed this restaurant called Cafe Fontena, which is super popular on TikTok. So just want to have some light meal. Let's go and check out the cafe.
Ryan Little.
Sure if you guys can hear me, but I had a good experience actually today. It wasn't an event that I used to attend, which is like just an open event, but this is something like event where they will actually explain about their product, which was actually very useful. Even though they explained it mostly in Chinese, they did take the initiative to translate it in English just for me and my mom to understand. Now I'm at Cafe Fontena. Just ordered a few sandwich. I'm gonna treat my mom for coming along with me because I know I'm not gonna be this confident if I came alone. So yeah. Oh! Actually won one of their giveaway just by answering their question, which was very sweet of them. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got, which was already in this bag, was this. Oh, their balancing shampoo and their moisturizing shampoo, and also their repairing conditioner. That's so nice. The next thing is their liquid rouge. Ooh, it's a beautiful shade. You guys can see that packaging and it's super duper unique. It says Khesyuuu liquid rouge. Let me just put this on. It's a very soft texture. Not super pigmented, but lip gloss like. So I really love it. It's something different. I got a lot of samples. Essence V, like 3 of them or 4 of them. Then I got their Comfort Stretchy Wash, which I used in the beginning of the video, and also their Whale of the Day, which is their sunscreen and primer. It works together, so you don't have to add on another layer. So yeah, that's a very smart move. And last but not least, I want their Comfort Stretchy Wash in a travel size. It taught me this one thing where you can just wash your face with the foam and without your hands touching on your face. Just with the foam, just rub it like 3mm away from your face using the foam to wash your face. And that was really great tip. So maybe this could help you guys for your skincare tips next time. If you guys would definitely want to try out, you should definitely go to their website and get yours now. And this is a no gender skincare, so anyone out there, you can be a boy, you can be a girl, anyone can use this skincare. Skin is one, except guys have thicker skin around their beard area because they have beard growing. And other than that, we both are same. Thank you guys so much for watching. I guess I'll end my video here. If you guys want to let me know down in the comment section down below. Let me know what you guys want to see from me next in my next video. So just comment down below. Until then, I'll see you guys. Mwah!